Alright, we're going to look at laser guided bombs now. Let's go ahead and set up the cockpit, air to ground mode on, master armors on, Mark 82 laser guide on. As a side note, you can use this mode button here to switch between auto and CCIP, or continuously computed impact point. CCIP is your dumb bomb mode. Auto is what we use for our laser guidance. So if you wanted to dumb bomb for some reason, that's where you could switch into it. And we all know how to do those from our other airplanes. I'll finish setting up the airplane here. We're going to set our right DDI into FLIR, and then we're using laser guidance, so we need our LTDR switch on there. All right, we're set up. Turn towards the target area. We've got a enemy ZSU out here dug in. Turn out that way. Get our targeting pod opened up and look for the enemy. Should be somewhere out there. There's something that looks like him. Get a point track on him. All right, we've got the point. We'll zoom in on the HUD here a little bit, and well, no, I'm going to zoom out so I can pause and talk about symbology on this HUD. Just wanted a little offset. There we go. Okay, here this diamond is our target. Obviously, the heading indicator points towards the target. Right here, 23 REL. That's 23 seconds from release. So based on our current flight parameters, we would be 23 seconds from a bomb release. We're 2.9 miles from the target, as indicated there. We're in auto mode, as indicated there. Up here, the X is kind of in the way, but that says L arm, laser arm. That means our laser is armed. And then this line that extends right here, this is our P-bill line, predicted bomb impact line. What we need to do for this bomb delivery is get first in straight and level flight. So we need to climb up here, get our pitch level. Then we want to maneuver to get this P-bill line right in the center of our pitch ladder. We want everything centered up. So the P-bill line runs right through the center, runs right through our heading indicator, everything nice and lined up. What will happen is there's going to be this horizontal bar that starts up here off of the HUD, and it's going to run down the P-bill line. It'll run all the way down through our heading indicator. When that P-bill line, or I'm sorry, when that horizontal bar is running down the P-bill line, when it's about 5 seconds from passing through our heading indicator, we want to press and hold our weapon release key. Once the line goes through our heading indicator, the bomb will come off the rail and it will start to guide. Some symbology on the HUD will change. This right here, the time to release, will change to a certain number and it'll say laser. It'll say like 5 seconds laser. That just means the bomb's falling, and in 5 seconds the laser's going to light, 4 seconds, etc. Once the laser lights, that will change to a number and it'll say TTI, which is time to impact. And up here, the laser arm will start flashing LTDR. That's how we know that the laser is firing. All right, so I'm going to unpause and get us set up, and I'll just kind of talk through as the line comes down when I press the button, etc. All right, try to get level flight, and then we try and hold the line as close as we can to the center there. Looks like we're 5 seconds from release. You can see that bar coming down. I'm now holding the pickle button. The bomb's away. You can see laser counting down on the right there. 3, 2, 1. The laser's going to fire. Now the laser's firing. You can see LTDR is flashing at the top of the HUD. We're 5 seconds TTI. 4, time to impact. 3, 2, 1, and there's an impact. I can turn and look, and yes, verify an impact, as you can see down there. One thing I didn't mention on this video or the laser guided Maverick is when you're doing laser guidance, you need to make sure that you have a nice, your targeting pod has good eyes on the target area. So if I was to have dropped that and then maneuvered aggressively like this or whatever, obviously my laser pod would no longer be able to have a laser on the target, so the attack would fail. So when you're doing laser guidance, just keep nice stable flight.